Make a noise again. Good. Is that what that car sounds like? Do the car. Do this one. Do this one. Good. Ready? Good. That's what that car sounds like, huh? No, that's bad milk. No, that's bad milk. You had that milk hidden in your kitchen. No, that's bad milk. Oh my goodness, that's a big car. One more time. Ready? Good. That's what our future Mustang sounds like. Ready, Jake? Hey. Apparently we're done. Yeah, you can't change the TV with that. Ooh, tired. Jake. Okay, so maybe like 10 times is enough.